Good afternoon, everyone. Curry Call, Chief Weather Forecaster Joe Sock here. Kate's over there sleeping, taking a nap, right, Kate? Yeah, she's taking a nap. But in any case, I thought Kate was here, at least in my heart, the idea of the storm in the Gulf. And we're gonna talk about what's going on, what you see here. But I thought that was a purely tropical cyclone in the Gulf, right, Kate? Didn't you think that was the case? You saw those wind gusts in there. So in any case, Kate, whatever it was, Kate or not, brought the rain to Texas, and now it's going to mean big business when it phases with this upper trough coming through later this week. There's going to be some severe weather in the southeast this week, not featured here, but I want to get to the Howler. The Wednesday night Howler is what I think I should call this video when it goes up on YouTube. Here's the 12Z NAM, winds at 925 millibars, not too far off the surface, and I mean, look at this Wednesday evening. I mean, look at that. This is a 50-55 knots at 925. We advance to hour 63. It increases to 60, 65 knots. It increases again, hour 66 to 75, almost 80 knots. I mean, look at how strong these winds are here off the either in eastern Mass or into the Gulf of Maine. There's approaching 80 knots there at 925. Let me show you hour 69. And I think this continues to strengthen as it heads up into northern Maine. And still, I mean, this is not a joke for southern New England. You're still dealing 55, 65 knots, but getting close to the 90 knots as it heads up into northern Maine. Let me go back to hour 60. Let me show you the 5,000-foot winds on the NAM. And the GFS and the European are all similar. I mean, you're just getting absolutely just creamed here. Wednesday evening, if we got this, we bring this energy down, we got 80 to 85 knot winds there. Let me go to hour 63. You can see that, a good tongue of 75 knot winds over our head, 11 p.m. Wednesday night. And then you can see that 2 in the morning as this slowly moves off just to our east. I mean, we're pushing almost 90 knots at 2 in the morning, northern Maine. I mean, now here's the problem with this kind of wind field is that we're going to have a warm temperatures in front of this. I mean, this can be, I think, some thunderstorms that develop in this atmosphere that's going to be set up. But I wouldn't be surprised in New England here. We get even some severe thunderstorms that try to develop. We'll have to see. But any convection here, or convecting showers, could bring this energy right down to the ground with a snap of a finger. And then seeing that kind of wind at that kind of altitude is certainly the prime thing for a damaging wind gust. I mean, incredible low-level jet being pumped out of the south at that kind of speed, at that kind of height. So I would not be surprised to see a lot of 50, 60 mile an hour wind gusts and maybe even some approaching hurricane force and any convective showers that do develop. But this is what's left of Patricia, what I thought was Kate in the Gulf, which probably was, I absolutely think it was a tropical cyclone, and the connection timed out. But the point of the matter is that I think it's going to be a real Wednesday night howler in much of the Northeast, as this whole slug of moisture continues to ripple through. And basically, there it is. Again, you can see there. I'll try to get in a little closer. You can see the area, very, very strong south and southwest winds here being pulled up along that low. But this is going to be a monster trough that comes on in. I think it's going to be monster results. And again, the severe weather, I think, tomorrow in the southeast is going to be watched very closely. And then after that, this clears out, and then we get blasted with the northwest wind on Friday. All right, that's it for now, and thank you for watching.